So I've always wanted to build a raft and float it down the North Saskatchewan. So I came across a couple barrels. They were 60 liters, and there was 10 of them. So that gave me 600 kilograms of flotation, which is more than enough to build a raft and float two people. So my buddy Nick and I built a raft and floated it down the river. From concept to sail date was 2 days. So this is it. So it's a bit of a drive, but I got 10 60-liter barrels. These are going to be the floats. Floats of the raft. It's quite a bit of them. Now I got to strap these things up and get back home. The old tow rig. It's not my best strap job. Pretty sure it'll make it. Okay, I'm out. So this is kind of what I'm thinking for the base of it. Something kind of like this. One sheet here, a little gap, a little fire pit, another sheet here. These are 14, so I'll have to trim them down. Thanks, dude. No, that's Uncle Nick's uncle's truck. Yeah. Yeah, put the barrel in and we'll straighten it, and then I'll put the screws in. Thanks, buddy. It's kind of the base platform. I'm going to put these jugs under, see how it looks. Should look okay. Actually, it looks pretty good. 4 more barrels I'm going to tuck in here. So we got this thing loaded. It's flipped upside down. Loaded, good to go. Got my tow rig hooked up. This isn't actually my tow rig. That is. But this is way comfier.
Oh, no,
those are iced teas.
Oh, that's a sunscreen. Do we have it?
No, I've got our sunscreen, honey. We're okay.
Plus, we're not raiding Nick's cooler.
This one's mine.
Yeah, see?
I wouldn't say
Oh,
it's
okay.
Oh, yeah, we got the
There you
same
go.
one.
So I had to do a little bit off-roading and get under this bridge. And then... Hey, Nick! I didn't make it far, buddy.
Your wheel fell off. Oh, you lost the drum. It's okay.
The easiest thing is when you don't want to see the YMCA is that you can just...
Are you driving to the top or are you just gonna wait here? I'll just wait here. Okay.
Let's do it.
Let me go suss it out here, Terry. This is steeper than it looks.
Don't leave any litter. Right?
What do you think, Nick?
Can I go down there?
No.
Yes, I
I'm
can.
not sure it's safe, honestly, Preston.
How steep is it going down there?
No?
You guys have balcony off.
You'll just have to brush the mosquitoes away.
No.
Well, Preston, then go stand on the path, honey.
No.
I knew this was gonna suck, but
It's in the...
I think it'll go all the way to it, though.
well, I'll hang on to this as our tagline. I got 15 bites on my back.
Already?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I think that you have a mosquito on your back right now.
beer before we did this. We gotta get on the river, dude. Like, this is crazy. Every single mosquito in this bush is on me.
I can't believe my phone's still on.
I'm actually just staying by Nick because the mosquitoes don't get him.
We kind of got to bring your way from this tree. We lost our wheels.
That's probably good.
Well, you're pretty much there.
It'll float down in the...
Do you have like something to anchor with it?
No. We're just gonna go for it.
This is cool.
This is unreal.
Hold on. Let me tag line up. So he doesn't float down the river. Something wrong with that. Where's that rope?
That's pretty good.
Well, you never know. Could probably strap her like a bot. Fuck, I thought you fell.
Yeah, I did too. That would not be good, Andrew.
No, coming down that hill is dangerous.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
slim.
Can I let you cart back up?
Yeah.
Jaunty car.
Yeah.
I built a frame for it. Just like that, eh?
Here,
We should call this the fucking rickety raft.
take the hibachi.
Yeah, 1 second.
This really what could be the craziest thing.
We should have brought a little troller motor.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like fucking bent from us coming down here.
That was a pretty aggressive boat launch, to be honest. She'll never forgive me.
No, it's in the
Dad, you remember that time you and Uncle Nick went down the river?
with a ton of beers and you fucked my umbrella up. That's all the sweat, dude. Holy fuck.
Nice. Perfect. After making this, I'm confident I could make a houseboat. It's ore storage. Looks pretty good. We were gonna put a fire pit here. Too much. It was crazy. It is nice down here. We're starting a barbecue.
We took it down. It was fucked up.
My daughter would be very upset if we broke it anymore.
Don't skip me. Would you prefer a chip? Probably like a chip better.
Do we barbecue on this side or this side?
Oh, we're not gonna barbecue on Vegas Beach. Should have went from Devon.
Should have went from Devon. There's our destination right there. Going to the beach, gonna barbecue.
It's just like Vegas down here. I just don't understand how it's even tied in.
You know how about? You brought the speaker. Nice.
That's why I'm here. Can't be pounding
Beautiful
all day.
campsite. Sort of what I'm saying. Got the barbecue going.
Is that ultra tight?
Nice beach. Just will go right here. Midway. So we're kind of at the tip. We're gonna go midway through the island here. So we're gonna head, I don't know, a couple hundred feet that way. Launch, do another barbecue, and then head out.
Do you guys have your feast?
We did.
Yeah.
What did you make?
Smoky.
Smokies. Classic. Great barbecue food.
That's all I got. My feet just hit rocks. Oh, is yours?
Nope.
I got rocks though. Here, there's big rocks.
How deep do you think it is?
I don't know. I hit her. It must have been a big rock then, because I hit one.
Out of beers and out of time. I made it. It looks like the tow rig has seen some pretty decent mud. But keys are ready to go. That was a pretty good time. I don't have anywhere to store this thing. I mean, I do, I guess, but I don't know. I can't move it by myself, so I'm just going to take it apart. Most of these are actually a third full of water. Probably should check them. Overall, worked pretty good.